Hey everyone, it's Josh here from Brand24, and today I'll be taking you through some top tips to follow if you're looking at becoming a content creator. Today's video was again inspired by another question one of you lovely viewers left us on a previous video. The question from Be Fair If You Dare was as follows. To what extent does a content creator need to be skilled in a certain specific tech skill, such as video editing, photo editing, and graphic design? The most important answer to this question is that you do not need to be highly skilled in all areas. You see, pretty much every company is now in some way a media company. By that, I mean they go out looking for young, aspiring content creators to show off their skills and help advertise the brand. So this is where you'd come into this. Right now, there are three key categories of media content: text, such as blogs; audio, such as podcasts; and video. What you need to do as an aspiring content creator is decide which of these three categories best suits your skill set. Once decided, if you were to put all of your focus into that one chosen category, then that will be the best way of putting yourself into a position to succeed. Now, let me talk you through a few of our top tips that will put you ahead of your competition. Be current. It's important that you keep yourself up to date and knowledgeable on the current way the world is working, especially your own industry. This could be anything from learning the newest software to following the latest trends on social media. It's vital that you learn exactly what it is that the business you want to partner with and the audience you're after are up to, and what they would expect from you. The more you understand, the more relevant your content will be. Stay current. Once you've made yourself current, keep it that way. You see, the world is ever changing, even more so on the internet. So it's important you keep advancing and changing the way you work to align with the ever-changing climate. The best content creators around prove themselves by being curious and exploring the new trends that are appearing. Learn to change, follow trends, and never stop. Understand your audience. You need to know exactly what your audience, or your potential audience, want to see and expect to see you create. As the saying goes, put yourself in their shoes. You need to understand what motivates them, how they live their lives, and think about what kind of content would prove relevant to them. You then take this information and use it to create your content, rather than just assuming everyone likes the same kind of things. Improve your skills. Just think to yourself, you can always get better. That's not to say that you're not already highly skilled in what you do, but the moment you decide to stop improving will be the moment you get left behind. There's always going to be new pieces of software to learn, new social media to get used to. Keep reading, keep learning, do not let the competition get ahead of you. Create often. If you're a copywriter, keep writing. If you're a video creator, keep filming. You simply need to keep doing what you're doing and do it often. Blogs, for example, with 16 posts per month, can gain up to 3.5 times more traffic than one with just 4 entries posted a month. This is the simple rule all the professionals live by. Post high quality content as often as you possibly can. Find a voice. Now, I don't mean this in a literal sense, though if you're an audio creator, then yes, this could be taken literally. But what I mean though is to let your personality come through within your content. Content creating is all about communicating an idea well and naturally. The more natural you are, the more likely your audience will be able to relate to what you do, which will keep them coming back for more. Give examples. In order to get people to read or listen to your content, you need to make it real and relatable. An easy way to do this is by giving examples within your words. Don't just say that something is the way it is, simply because it is. Expand on what you mean. Give an example that will help you expand upon the message that you're trying to get across to your audience, helping them to gain a better understanding of your work. Don't talk about yourself. It's vitally important that you don't just make content talking about yourself. You need to remember that you're making everything for an audience. Make sure you talk about them and what they want to see. If all you did was create content about yourself, you would have lost the opportunity to demonstrate that you understand customers' needs and problems. It shows that you care, which is ultimately what audiences love to see. Whether it's writing, film, or recording, you need to do your research into not only exactly what it is a customer expects, but also if there's any keywords that will help your content stand out above the rest. Every genre has its own buzzwords that will show if the creator truly understands what it is they are talking about. They will also help you in terms of search engine optimization, using these words to soar up in the search engine rankings, putting yourself in the view of everyone. Well, there you have it, a few top tips on how you can become a top content creator. As always, if you have any more burning questions, please do let us know in the comments section below. You never know, your question could inspire the next video. But that's it from me today. I've been Josh from Brand24. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.